Hello guys, it's Joel McLeod. If you're stuck at the same income level month after month, you're working hard, you're trying to stay positive, you're doing the affirmations, you're visualizing, but you're still not seeing the money flow the way you know that it should, then I'm telling you right now, this video is your breakthrough because I'm going to walk you through the exact steps that you need to take to reprogram your subconscious mind so you can receive more money. And I'm going to take you through this process step by step. This is the process that took me from £15,000 a year to £18,000 a month and then £35,000 a month. Not through hustle, not through some new strategy, but by upgrading the internal program that was controlling it all. So let's dive in. You see, most people really believe that their income is based off of how hard they work, or how smart they are, or how much strategy they apply. But the truth is, your income is a direct reflection of your subconscious programming. So you're not creating your financial results through your conscious thoughts. You're creating it through the patterns that are buried underneath your awareness. So I'm talking about things like how much you subconsciously feel safe receiving, how much wealth your nervous system is calibrated to, and also the identity that you hold around money. So if you've been stuck at that same income level, the chances are that your subconscious mind has decided this is just what I earn. And until that changes, until you make them internal shifts, nothing external is going to change. And you can do your own research on this. Your subconscious mind controls 95% of your thoughts, emotions, actions, and decisions. So that means that your subconscious mind is pretty much controlling your entire life. It controls your habits, it controls your identity, and it also controls what you attract because your subconscious mind is in control of your vibration. And it's the vibration that you're in that is dictating what you attract. They're trying to change their life through logic and effort, but your subconscious mind does not respond to logic. Your subconscious mind responds to emotion, repetition, the images that you hold in your mind, and your environment. So it's like trying to install new software on your laptop by yelling at the screen. I mean, it's just not going to work. To upgrade your financial reality, you need to install new beliefs and new feelings into your emotional mind. So how do we do that? Here's the process that I followed to rewire my subconscious mind for £10,000 plus months. Step one, you need a specific income goal. It's not good enough to say, I want more money. And you must repeat it and get really comfortable with this income goal. So it's got to turn from a belief of having it instead of a wish. So, for example, I am so happy and grateful that I earn £10,000 every single month and have time freedom. I would encourage you to write it on a piece of paper and carry it everywhere with you and write it often, speak it often, visualize it often. Just make it your new command. And step two, every night and every morning, you want to visualize yourself with that amount of money in your bank account, not from the outside, but from the inside. So feel the freedom. Feel the certainty. Feel the joy of having received that amount of money. Feel the pride that comes with that because your subconscious mind learns through emotion. So you've got to give it a new frequency to lock onto. Step three, you've got to remove conflicting inputs from your life. I mean, you can't be visualizing wealth and visualizing lots of money in abundance while scrolling through content that makes you feel broke. I want you to audit your environment and upgrade your inputs. Your financial goal is a seed, and you've got to do everything in your power to protect that seed. Step four, I want you to speak like the version of you that's already there. So stop saying things like I'm trying to or hopefully soon. I want you to start speaking with power, with conviction. Like speak truth. Speak the results as if it's already done, even if it's not even landed yet. Your words are literally commands to your subconscious mind. Step five, you've got to anchor this new income goal with daily repetition. When you wake up in the morning, write down your goal 10 times and feel it. Like when you're writing, I am so happy and grateful that I am now making £10,000 every single month. I want you to feel it as if it was real. And I want you to speak it with emotion. And I want you to visualize it as if it's done. Like this is the real work. This is the practice. This is the inner work that creates your outer results. This is the inner gym, in other words, that's going to create the outer money. I was stuck at £15,000 a year for close to 8 years. I worked hard. I studied. I mean, God knows how many businesses I tried, but nothing shifted. Until I learned this truth, you don't get what you want. You get what you're programmed to receive. So when I actually put my foot down and made an absolutely committed decision to doing this inner work, my income hit £18,000 a month in 5 months, then 35k months. And I started attracting luxury, opulent environments. I attracted an incredible woman into my life, incredible friendships, and I started attracting clients that was more aligned with this version of me that I became. And all of that from literally changing my program. Because you've got to understand this, your outer world is the reflection. If you want more money, you've got to change the blueprint. Like, stop trying to hustle yourself out of a limited paradigm. Just reprogram it. And if this hit home, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you're ready to go even deeper, then go to the link in the description and book a one-to-one call with me. I will help you shift your results from a subconscious level. And once your paradigm changes, I'm telling you the results are permanent. And also drop a comment. I reply to everyone. What's one belief around money that you're going to let go of today? I'm telling you, you're closer than you think. And I'll see you in the next one.